Ever wondered how to delete your YouTube account? Perhaps you're looking to simplify your digital life or just want to start fresh. Whatever your reason, today we're going to walk you through the process, step by step. But remember, this action is permanent, and once deleted, all your videos, comments, likes, and subscriptions will be gone forever. Take a deep breath. Ready? First, open your favorite web browser and head over to youtube.com. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile picture. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account overview. Now in the left-hand menu, select Advanced Settings. Scroll down, and at the bottom, you'll see a section called Delete Channel. Don't be alarmed. Deleting your channel essentially means deleting your account. At this point, YouTube will ask you to sign in again for security reasons. This is just to ensure that it's really you who wants to delete your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be presented with two options. I want to hide my channel, or I want to permanently delete my content. If you're sure that you want to delete your account, select the second option. Before you proceed, YouTube will show you a list of what will be permanently deleted along with your account. This includes your videos, comments, likes, and subscriptions. Make sure you understand the implications of this action. Finally, you'll need to check the box to confirm I want to permanently delete my content. Then click on Delete My Content. And just like that, your YouTube account is no more. To recap, here are the steps we've taken. 1. Navigate to youtube.com and click on your profile picture. 2. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. 3. In the left-hand menu, select Advanced Settings. 4. Scroll down and click on Delete Channel. 5. Sign in again for security reasons. 6. Choose I want to permanently delete my content. 7. Understand what will be deleted and check the box to confirm. 8. Click on Delete My Content. Remember, deleting your YouTube account is a serious decision and not one to be taken lightly. But should you ever need to, this guide will always be here to help you through the process. Until next time, stay savvy and stay safe in the digital world.